The over 4 million visitors who vacationed in Jamaica in 2017 were largely driven to our shores through 5 tourism networks.
Those are the 5 networks that will drive the 5 pillars of growth to give us 5 million visitors in 5 years, earning $5 billion at a growth rate of 5%. We said we would grow the industry by an average of 5% over 5 years. We are growing now at nearly 9%. Last figure was 8.9%. And we are growing the revenue by 10.8%, it's about 11%.
As investments rolled in to support those numbers, the accommodations sector welcomed more than 1,000 rooms in 6 new hotels that came on stream in 2017. And the Tourism Enhancement Fund and National Export-Import Bank collaborated to allocate $350 million in loans to the operators of small and medium-sized tourism enterprises.
When I looked at the pie chart that showed me how the loans were distributed, I feel comforted that the linkage program is working because the loans are going, and I just want to indicate to you, accommodation was 21%, transportation 25%, shopping, that's getting into its own, right? 6%, manufacturing 9%, gastronomy 5%, services 9%, spas and wellness 2%, attractions 17%.
The Jamaican tourism sector staged the region's biggest conference in November. More than 200 world leaders and delegates converged in Montego Bay for the United Nations World Tourism Organization's Conference on Sustainable Tourism.
This is already beginning to look like another General Assembly. I thought we got one behind us. It looks like you are actually making it happen.
The Knowledge Network was also enhanced with the signing of a MOU for the establishment of a Craft Development Institute in St. Anne. Government is partnering with the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts.
What we are doing is to create the capacity to expand the range and diversity of indigenous products while providing a marketing outlet, an appropriate marketing facility.
In addition, early 2017 saw the signing of a partnership agreement for the design and development of the Jamaica Center for Tourism and Innovation. It should be opened in 2018 at the Montego Bay Convention Center. 2017 also saw the resumption of the Tourism Service Excellence Program TSEP Awards.
Jamaica has a record of repeat business, primarily because our service levels are at a very high standard.
The Tourism Minister also launched the Destination Assurance Council to ensure that the quality, standards and integrity of the tourism product are maintained.
It's my pleasure now to declare open the first gastronomy center of Jamaica, Devon House, for the gastronomic delights of Jamaica and the world.
This was a catalyst for the island to take advantage of a booming food tourism sector.
Jamaica's private dental and medical sector, which provides high-quality services at lower cost than in the US and the UK.
That message was received, and a few noteworthy health and wellness businesses set up shop in Jamaica last year, boosting the medical tourism sector. Another significant milestone was the launch of the Jamaica Tourism and Health Program. Visitors are now able to shop more at ease as 93 men and women were trained under the Tourism Product Development Company's District Constable DC program.
And this will replace the traditional courtesy corps as we have now. And we believe that this will go a long way in helping to build out the destination assurance that we market so seriously out there and for which people are responding so well.
More Jamaicans also shopped locally for Christmas gifts as the ministry connected hundreds of shoppers with souvenir suppliers at the Christmas in July mega shopping show. By year-end, an app was also launched connecting the tourism and agriculture sectors, plugging in visitors looking to buy local agricultural produce. The Tourism Ministry partnered with Carnival stakeholders to market Jamaica as an entertainment destination.
5 pillars relate to new products, new markets, new investments, new partnerships, and a renewal of our human capital.
The year 2017, when more Jamaicans earned through the tourism sector as the ministry provided linkages across the country for economic wealth and job creation.